you enjoy spending time in the kitchen cooking spectacular dishes for your family? If you do, chances are you've already heard about the electric skillet. An electric skillet is a cooking device that utilizes electricity to cook your food. It's one of the most popular kitchen appliances to date because of its versatility and even heat distribution. In fact, a lot of cooking enthusiasts prefer the skillet as it's more convenient to use and packed with fantastic features. In this video, we'll tell you why this cooking device is a great addition to your kitchen. Whether it's for frying, baking, or simply keeping your food warm, electric skillets can do it all, serving multiple applications in its compact, handy design, as they say. So if you're ready to try some new recipes, then join us as we share our selections of the 5 best electric skillets that you can find on the market today. And now let's start. At number 1 is the Presto 16-inch electric foldaway skillet, highly rated and top-selling cooking device that'll help you cook more. Presto is one of the world's most famous brands that designs and sells household appliances. You'll never go wrong in choosing their products, especially this electric skillet. With its big 16-inch base and high sidewalls, batch cooking and deep frying are now easier. It provides added space to accommodate larger quantities of food, helping you cook delectable dishes for a crowd. What most buyers like about this electric skillet is it comes with a tempered glass cover that lets them see what's inside while keeping the food locked in. The Control Master heat control automatically adjusts the temperature to more optimal cooking temperatures, helping you cook food evenly. That way, you don't have to deal with overcooked or undercooked meals. This amazing product also boasts of warp-proof heavy cast aluminum base and lightweight construction that helps it in portability. Unlike ordinary skillets, this one has a deluxe non-stick finish inside and out. Its simple fold-down handles aid in the detaching of the skillet pan from the base. These handles, including the non-stick finish, make cleanup a breeze. Another unique feature you shouldn't miss is the built-in spout that functions in 2 ways. It can be used not just for draining liquids in the pan, but also for placing the cooking utensil. That way, you can keep your spoon and spatula absolutely within reach. This electric skillet is fully immersible and dishwasher safe. Just remember to remove the heat control to prevent damage. In addition to that, it's easy to store even in small spaces when the handles are folded in. If you're tired of unevenly cooked food, stubborn residue, or energy-consuming cooking appliances, then the Presto 16-inch electric foldaway skillet should be at the top of your list. Better than using a range burner or an oven when it comes to energy efficiency. Presto also offers a 1-year limited warranty for this model. At number 2 is the Black & Decker family-size electric skillet and glass lid. If you're looking for a high-quality but affordable electric skillet with a large cooking surface, look no further than the Black & Decker family-size electric skillet. Boasting a large cooking area and deep interior that can take in large amounts of food, this product is perfect for family gatherings or other events. Its removable variable temperature control allows you to set your desired heat so there will be no overcooked or undercooked food. The temperature ranges from just keeping it warm to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you can use this skillet from keeping food warm to searing steaks. Pretty versatile for a compact cooking device. What makes this product outperform other electric skillets on the market is it has a cool touch base with serving handles, making it possible to serve the food on the table while it's hot, without the fear of burning your hands. Its tempered glass lid cover is also a plus in gatherings, as people no longer need to open the cover to check the food. Aside from having an impressively spacious cooking capacity, quick release variable temperature control, and other amazing features, this electric skillet also has a durable non-stick coating that makes cleanup a breeze. Its base is also dishwasher safe, so you can safely toss it in the dishwasher after devouring your meal. You can get this product at an incredibly affordable price by clicking the link in the comments below. Still having a hard time deciding which electric skillet to buy? Well, we still have 3 more on our list, so keep watching. Aside from cooking pancakes, frying bacon, and searing meat, did you know that you can also use an electric skillet to keep food warm until it's time to serve? Unlike regular frying pans, this cooking appliance can maintain its temperature, thereby keeping the prepared food warm. Pretty cool, right? Before we reveal the 3rd electric skillet on our list, please subscribe to our channel for more product reviews like this and tap the notification bell so we can notify you when we upload a new video. For more information on our featured products, click the links in the description below. Now let's continue. At number 3 is the Hamilton Beach Durathon Ceramic Skillet. Known for its thoughtfully designed products, Hamilton Beach guarantees to make the lives of their buyers easier. Like all of their home appliances and commercial restaurant equipment, this electric skillet is also made with you, the buyer, in mind. Compared to the traditional non-stick cooking surface that mostly contains PFOA, this amazing product is free of PTFE and PFOA. It's made with Durathon non-stick coating that's 4 times more durable than the conventional non-stick coatings. No more cracks and peels. It also eliminates the potential health risks of these chemicals. With this electric skillet, you can make pancakes, saute vegetables, braise meat, or deep fry fish, fries, and other foods with much ease. Its large 12-inch by 15-inch cooking area with deep walls can hold up to 4.5 pounds of chicken. The skillet pan can be removed from the base for hassle-free serving. Perfect for family reunions, neighborhood gatherings, and any other occasion. Aside from having a large cooking area, the Hamilton Beach Durathon Ceramic Skillet also has adjustable temperature range of 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and a warm setting that's useful in keeping food warm until it's time to serve. The package includes a glass lid, so you don't have to remove the cover from the pan when checking the food. For added peace of mind, Hamilton Beach backs up this unit with a 1-year limited warranty. At number 4 on our list is the Copper Chef Ceramic Stainless Steel 12-inch non-stick, heat-resistant, and dishwasher-safe pan with riveted handle. This 3-piece set is surely one of the best cooking devices you'll ever see. You'll no longer have to deal with stubborn food residue or too much cooking oil just to achieve that richer color and flavor while frying. The skillet pan is made of Ceramitech non-stick coating that lets you fry bacon or saute buttered veggies even without cooking oil. It also makes cleanup quick and easy, and you no longer have to scrub off any residue. The PTFE and PFOA free family-sized 12-inch square skillet with matching electric base is definitely worth the rave. Its 12-inch cooking area is perfect for those who need a bulk capacity to cook large portions of food. More than its broad cooking area, the non-stick pan is also free of human-made chemicals that release mildly toxic fumes when overheated. Therefore, you're safe from possible health risks that it causes. In addition to the amazing features that we mentioned earlier, this electric skillet also has riveted handles to provide more secure grip, making it easy to serve food even when it's smoking hot. The stainless steel induction plate is equally important as the other parts. It ensures that you have evenly cooked food by providing superior heat conduction. That way, you don't have to worry about undercooked or overcooked food. So what are you waiting for? Grab this amazing product with matching lids, huge cooking space, riveted handles, and aesthetically attractive design at a very affordable price. Last but not least, number 5 is the VitaChef Healthy Lifestyle All-in-One Cooking System. This fantastic product is far better than the electric skillets you commonly see in your favorite home appliance store. If you're always struggling to make healthy food, the VitaChef Healthy Lifestyle All-in-One Cooking System is perfect for you. It's an all-in-one multi-cooker that can steam, roast, fry, bake, and more. The VitaChef's ingenious interchangeable design makes it easier to cook almost any recipe you want. The skillet pan is complete with a removable clear lid so you can view the progress of your cooking without frequently lifting the lid. Also included is the reversible steamer plate with built-in burger formers that is indeed handy in making snacks with burgers, sponge pudding, or steamed buns. To increase the cooking capacity, VitaChef generously includes an extension ring in addition to the previously mentioned accessories. Another amazing feature of this product is the high heat enclosed cooking element that ensures the heat is evenly distributed in your skillet. With this high heat cooking element, you no longer have to constantly move food around in the skillet just to cook it evenly. The non-stick titanium surfaces work great in preventing the food from sticking to the pan. It's also free of PFOA, so you're safe from the possible health risks that chemical has. You'll never go wrong in choosing the VitaChef Healthy Lifestyle all-in-one cooking system because it's energy efficient and water efficient. The package includes skillet, glass lid, steamer plate, extension ring, base, and recipe booklet. Now all that's left to do is gather the ingredients needed and plug in your VitaChef all-in-one cooking system in a 110-volt standard electrical outlet. And there you have it, the 5 best electric skillets on the market today. Cook like a chef, try more recipes, and make your cooking experience better by investing in a high-quality cooking device like the products featured in this video. These products will surely make life in the kitchen easier. So what are you waiting for? Head over to the description box and click the link of your chosen electric skillet. Let us know if we missed to include your favorite brand, or if there's other products you'd like to see us feature in our next video by writing your feedback and suggestions in the comments below. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this and tap that bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video here at the ReviewTube channel.